Hi everyone, welcome back to our KOSO channel. Today I'll introduce ume-nagashi, a Japanese dietary practice that is gaining attention for its ability to cleanse the gut. Daikon is a familiar ingredient that frequently appears in daily meals, whether cooked or raw. In Japan, we often add grated daikon to meals to support digestion, whether it's fish or meat dishes, as well as hot pot and salads. While its health benefits are often overlooked, daikon is actually rich in compounds that help relieve constipation. Let's explore some of its key beneficial components. Daikon is made up of approximately 95% water. Water softens stew, making it easier to pass through the intestine. Daikon contains a significant amount of insoluble fiber, which add bulk to stew and serve as a food for beneficial gut bacteria. This helps promote a balanced gut environment. Daikon is rich in digestive enzymes such as diastase, which breaks down starch, protease, which breaks down protein, and lipase, which breaks down fat. These enzymes aid digestion and support gut function. Since enzymes are sensitive to heat, consuming grated raw daikon is the best way to maximize their benefit. Daikon also contains vitamin C. Vitamin C is a water-soluble nutrient essential for tissue repair, immune function, and antioxidant defense. Vitamin C is sensitive to heat, so eating grated daikon raw is a perfect way to enjoy its benefit. Daikon leaves are particularly rich in vitamin C, so it's recommended to consume them as well. The combination of high water content and insoluble fiber makes daikon especially effective for promoting smooth digestion. It is low in calories, making it a great option for those looking to improve digestion without worrying about weight gain. Just like daikon, umeboshi, Japanese pickled plum, is another staple in Japanese cuisine that is packed with beneficial compounds for digestion and constipation relief. The sourness of umeboshi comes from citric acid, which is known to help relieve fatigue and enhance mineral absorption. In traditional Chinese medicine, umeboshi is believed to promote the secretion of saliva and other digestive fluid, aid digestion and absorption, and help break down and eliminate waste from the blood. Both daikon radish and umeboshi are rich in compounds that support digestion and relieve constipation. When consumed together, they create a synergistic effect that enhances bowel movement. This concept is the basis of ume-nagashi, a traditional Japanese dietary practice aimed at cleansing the intestine. Ume-nagashi involved eating a warm broth made from daikon radish and umeboshi to help flush out waste from the gut. While it's often combined with fasting for maximum effect, simply replace one meal with ume-nagashi can still provide significant benefit. This simple yet effective method requires only a few ingredients and minimum preparation. Let's explore how to make and consume ume-nagashi properly. All you need to do is place kombu seaweed and water to a pot, leave it at least 30 minutes. Bring it to a gentle simmer over medium heat and remove the kombu just before boiling. Peel the daikon and slice it into 1 cm thick round. Add the daikon to the pot and simmer over medium heat until soft. Once the daikon is tender, mash the umeboshi into the broth and let it simmer for another 5 minutes. That's it. To consume ume-nagashi, first drink the broth. Fill a large bowl with the warm broth and sip it slowly. Then eat the daikon and umeboshi while continuing to drink the broth. Repeat until the pot is empty. You can add a bit of miso for extra flavor. To maximize its cleansing effect, ume-nagashi should be consumed when your stomach is empty. Ume-nagashi promotes bowel movement, and in some cases, people experience an urge to use the restroom shortly after eating. To stay comfortable, choose a day when you can stay at home. If bowel movement do not occur within 1 hour, light physical activity such as walking, stretching, or gentle exercise can stimulate digestion and enhance elimination. Ume-nagashi offers a natural and gentle way to promote bowel movement while nourishing the digestive system. Ume-nagashi is so easy. Give it a try. Thank you for watching.